Soil hydrometer test. Objective: to determine the practical size distribution of fine-grained soil smaller than 0.075 mm diameter grains using a hydrometer. Standard reference: ESTMD 7928 standard test method for practical size distribution gradation of fine-grained soils using the sedimentation hydrometer analysis. Apparatus. To do the test, we need distilled water, calipers, thermometer, tray, funnel, hydrometer, sodium hexametaphosphate, measuring cylinder 1000 cm3, beaker, evaporating dish about 150 mm in diameter, stopwatch, black rubber stopper, soil dispersion mixer, and the last one is fine soil using C425 micrometer. Let's watch the procedures. Calibration. Step 1. Weigh the hydrometer and then record the mass in grams as the volume of the hydrometer in milliliter. Step 2. Measure and record the distance h in a millimeter. Step 3. Measure and record the distance n in a millimeter from the neck of bolt to the nearest calibration mark. Preparation and assembly. Step 4. Take a 50 grain of oven-dry well pulverized soil in a bowl. Step 5. Prepare a defloculating agent. Usually, a 4% solution of certain hexametaphosphate colgan is used. This can be prepared by adding 40 grains of colgan in 1000 cm3 of distilled water and mixing it thoroughly. Step 6. Take a 125 cm3 of the mixture prepared in the step 2 and add it to the soil taken in the step 1. Step 7. Using a glass rod mix the soil prepared thoroughly. Step 8. Transfer the soil slurry to a mixer by adding more distilled water if necessary until the mixing cup is at least half full. Then, mix solution for 2 minutes. Step 9. Immediately transfer the soil slurry into the ceramic bowl. Step 10. The mixture should be allowed to soak for about 8 until 12 hours. After 12 hours, sedimentation. Step 11. Take a 1000 cm3 graduate cylinder and add 875 cm3 of distilled water plus 135 cm3 of defloculating agent to it. Mix the solution well. Step 12. Cover the top of the cylinder with the black rubber and skewer it with the palm of your hand. Step 13. Mix the soil water well by turning the cylinder upside down several times. Step 14. Pour the mix into the second grade with 1000 cm3 cylinder. Step 15. Fill the graduate cylinder with distilled water to bring the water level up to the 1000 cm³ mark. Step 16. Cover the top of the cylinder with a black rubber and secure it with the palm of your hand. Step 17. Mix the soy water well by turning the cylinder upside down several times. Step 18. Set the cylinder down and remove the stopper from cylinder. Step 19. Observe and record the temperature of the suspension once the first 15 minutes and then after every subsequent reading. Read the temperature to an accuracy 0.5 Celsius. Step 20. Record the time and very slowly and carefully insert the hydrometer for the first reading. Step 21. Insert the hydrometer into the cylinder containing the soy water suspension. Record the time immediately. T is a cumulative time T equals 0. Step 22. Take the hydrometer reading at the upper end of the meniscus of the period of the 0.5 minutes and 1 minute, 2 minutes, and 4 minutes. Step 23. After 4 minutes, remove the hydrometer slowly, rinse in the distilled water and place it in the cylinder of distilled water with a dispersion at the same temperature as the soy suspension. Observe and record the top of the meniscus reading. Step 24. Reinsert the hydrometer on the soy suspension and take and record the readings after the period of 8 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, 8 hours, 24 hours, and 48 hours. Insert the hydrometer into the cylinder containing the soy water suspension about 30 seconds before the reading is due. The last step is, after the reading has been taken, remove the hydrometer and put it back into the cylinder next to it. Here, an example of data.